Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport. Crystal red metallic tint coat, just a beautiful color. It's got the chrome wheels, the Z51 package, the Brembo brakes in the back here. It's got a car cover included with the car. The top comes off and goes into those clips right there and there and there and there. You've got a little onboard storage in the other side. On this side is the battery, because of course you're in a Grand Sport. And under here, another storage compartment, and this will have the dry sump. That's why it's got the battery in the back. So close the lid there. Look at that. What a stunning car. Bright, shiny, beautiful. It's got a gate cover on the back on the exhaust with the Corvette flags and logos. Looks outstanding, which matches those beautiful chrome wheels, which have no curb rash, no issues. Tires are good, brakes are awesome. As a matter of fact, the brakes on the back of this are brand new. And on the inside, you've got perforated leather, luxury leather seats, power seat on the passenger side. And let me climb in and just check for books for you. Yes, the books are there. And the codes are right here for the car. Can't really see the codes all that well, but you get the idea. It is all of factory original, 3LT. Gorgeous car. Bose sound system, and again the removable top. Beauty. Close that and come up here, and it's got the big Grand Sport gills there, and the super wide fenders with the big wheels and tires. Those are the 6-piston brakes on the front there with the cross-drilled rotors. Just awesome. Under the hood is the LS3, 428 horsepower, made it to a 6-speed manual transmission. You can see that the hood mat's in great shape. It's not been out in inclement weather. You can see it's clean and tidy. There's your dry sump right there for the oil, and fabulous. Close the hood, and we'll just go around the front here, and we'll show you that it is in outstanding condition. Stone chips, I really don't see many or any. That might be one right there. So a wee little stone chip there that we could touch up, but other than that, nothing to worry about. Even the front air dam is in great shape, as you can see, and it's got a removable license plate front holder. And here's your other front wheel, no curb rash, no issues. Painted rotors, painted calipers, gotta look awesome. That looks great. And here on the back, same thing. Giant sized tires. Those are really wide monster tires on the Grand Sport. And then on the driver's door here, you've got the power windows, power locks, power mirrors, the Bose sound system, and then the driver memory package, which adjusts your seat as well as your air conditioning and radio settings. And it's got a nice driver seat with the power passenger seat, and those buttons down there are for the side bolster and lumbar support system. So just awesome. Little mark on the seat right here, nothing major, it's just a little blemish. It's not a hole, it's nothing, it's just a little drop of something that was on it. And climb in here and have a look. You've got steering wheel controls there, and here for your telephone, and we'll fire this one up. Nice, sounds fabulous. 3LT comes with heated seats, dual zone automatic air conditioning, 10-speaker sound system, the Bose sound system with AM, FM, and XM. So you can have XM as well right there. And the air conditioning blowing ice cold. We're just going to turn that up a little bit so that it doesn't blow so much while we're doing our video. And it's got the really nice dash there, the console. This opens up with the cup holder. And underneath in here, you've got your power outlets to hook up your phone, and your line in is right there so that you can plug in your iPhone if you choose to. It's got heads-up display right there, which you should be able to see through the windshield there. Here, I'll wiggle it up and down a little bit, and then I'll turn the up a little bit, and we can change the pages. We just turn that down a little and change the pages so that you can see. Heads-up display is working beautifully. OnStar with a compass in the mirror. Again, that roof comes off. The clips are right here. Just undo it like so, and that takes the roof off. So easy enough to do. What a super looking car. It's got power trunk and power gas door there. The nice aluminum pedals also. Have a look in the door frames as I'm getting out. What a great looking machine. Here it is from the front with the headlights on. What a good looking car. Slide down here, you can see from the side, look at how wide those fenders are. Go around those ginormous size tires. Here, you get a sense of how wide that is going down the road. It is just a thrilling car to drive. No scratches, no dents, no rubs, nothing to worry about there, folks. It's just a beauty. So there you have it. That is a 2010 Chevrolet Corvette Grand Sport 3LT with chrome wheels, 6-speed manual, heated seats and a nice chrome gate cover on the back. Just 58,000 kilometers. It's here and available at munromotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you real soon.